Hello fellows, we are discussing some application of trigonometry. So today's section I am going to solve the next problem. Look at the problem here. A contractor planned to install two slides for the children to play in a park. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prepares to have the slide whose top at the height of 1.5 meter and is inclined at the angle of 30 degree to the ground, whereas the elder children she wants to have a step side at the height of 3 meter and inclined at angle of 60 degree to the ground. What should be the length of the slide in each case? So here they given two slides, one for the younger children and one for the elder. So here I will solve separately for the elder one and for the younger one. So let me draw here a figure. So here A, B, C. AB is the height of the slide and AC is the length of the slide. And the height is a perpendicular to the base. And they given here for younger children the height is 1.5 meter and angle is a 30 degree. Here we want to find out the length of the slide. So first write down here solution. For younger children, let AB be the height of slide and AC is the length of the slide. In a right triangle ABC, AB equal to 1.5 meter. So look at the figure. When we consider 30 degree, that time AB become a opposite and AC is the hypotenuse because it is a right angle opposite side. Here using opposite we want to find out hypotenuse. So these two ratios, opposite and hypotenuse ratios, we got in a sin theta. So I will use here sin theta. So now here we have sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, and this implies sin 30 degree equal to opposite is a AB divided by hypotenuse AC. And now here, and we know that the sin 30 value, sin 30 is 1 by 2 equal to AB is 1.5 divided by AC. We don't know, keep as it is. So this implies AC comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. AC equal to 1.5. The 2 comes in RHS side, it become a multiplication. So here 1.5 into 2 is 3. So here AC is equal to 3 meter. So length of the slide is 3 meter for the younger children. And now here we want to find out elder children. For elder children, let me draw here a figure. So here P, Q, R. So here PQ is the height of the slide is 3 meter, they only given, and it is perpendicular to the ground level. So angle Q is equal to 90 degree, and here we want to find out the length of the PR, means the length of the slide, and also they given here the angle 60 degree. Let PQ is the height of slide and PR is the length of the slide. In a right triangle PQ, the figure here, when we use 60 degree, that time OP become a opposite and PR is a hypotenuse. So here also using opposite we want to find out hypotenuse. These two ratio we got in sin theta and cosec theta. Here I will use sin theta. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So this implies sin 60 equal to opposite is PQ divided by hypotenuse is PR. So now here, and we know that the sin 60 value, that is root 3 by 2 equal to the PQ value is 3 divided by PR as it is. And now here this implies PR equal to, PR comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. PR equal to 3 into 2 comes in RHS side, it become a multiplication, and this divided by root 3 comes in RHS side, it become a division, root 3. So this equal to 3 into 2 is a 6 divided by 3. So here PR equal to 6 by root 3, and because in a denominator we have root 3 value, so multiplication and dividing by root 3. So now here 6 root 3 divided by 3, root 3 into root 3 is a 3, 3 1s are 3 2s are, here we got 2 root 3. So here PR is equal to 2 root 3. So it is a length of the slide for the elder children. So write down here conclusion. Thus the lengths of slides are 3 meter and 2 root 3 meter. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the length of the tower. So let me draw here. AB is the tower. Tower is vertical to the ground, and point C on a ground. So here point C, which is making angle of elevation is 30 degree. So here we want to find out the height of the tower. So and they given here the distance between point C to the foot of the tower is 30 meter. So solution here, solution. So write down here, in a right triangle ABC, AB equal to height of the tower and point is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower. BC is equal to 30 meter. Is it clear? So look at the figure. When we consider angle 30 here, that time AB become a opposite side and a BC become a adjacent side. So here using opposite we want to find out adjacent. So these two ratio we got in a tan and a cot theta. So here I will consider tan theta. We know that tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. This implies tan 30 equal to opposite is AB divided by BC, and here we know that the value of tan 30, so this implies 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is a 1 by root 3. AB we don't know, keep AB as it is, height of the tower, and adjacent side is 30 meter. So this implies AB equal to 30 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication, so 30 divided by root 3. AB equal to 30 by root 3. So in a denominator root is there, so multiplication and divide by root 3. So now here 30 into root 3 is 30 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3, 10s are. AB equal to 10 root 3 meter. It is the height of the tower. So write down here conclusion. Therefore, the required height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter. Is it clear?